Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so great to finally publish my first video. I just sensed it today. I didn't feel great this morning, but I did my exercises to ground me, to come into me, and to come into me with my whole heart and mind. And I just felt that I was going to sit down and do the video today. So happy to share it with you. It's a transmission from my spirit guides, and it's transmission with love, to love. These are sounds that may disturb you the first few seconds, but stay with it. I know the power that they can release in you. They have helped me through my awakening process, and I'm really happy to now share it with the world. And well, here it is.
This is a transmission from Tso Dan, the 9. May all be happen to you that will serve you in this lifetime and the next.
And we, of course, want to make the translation of what you just heard. What you heard is an ancient language spoken in the multiverse, wherever that time was in that space, and now can be resonated through this channel. The way he interprets it is not by any means what was interpreted of that time in that age. And whatever is interpreted and received by you beautiful beings of the planet Earth right now shall be just for you and the way you respond to it. It is kind of a sacred ancient coding that will enforce you to step out of yourself and into your blueprint of who you really are. So we encourage you all to take a breath before you enter the state. Breathe in and breathe out and make your channel open to receive it. And if you receive it with your love from the deepest of your heart, and let the transmission flow into your body, then might just happen something to your body. And that might be some tickling, some feelings may arise, which is natural. And you let it come and be exactly that. It is with our love we come through to you.
Hindi studada kustaka. Kianakala naya sa sudya tis na kwaladia. Wanyana, 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 wanyana. was a galactic poem to vibrate the way the sound can vibrate out into the universe. It's the way that you may take it in and may it allow it to open something in you. And while you do this, you might want to sit down and don't anticipate what will come. It will come in a natural way. Don't you try even to do something other than just be in yourself in the flow of life. It's nothing but an answer. It might be an answer to your prayers, but we will not guide you through them. You will have to do that by yourself. Life's a beautiful journey.
Guanyada wista kunyati, kiana junyata,
Kuchani, kawani dunyati kasna. Ni chune, chichunana chine. Kitanu sana, ni hansi chunhu.
ya lunyada wisnian wakanyata kasnak. Yiga,
Ni chuna, china sinyana. Chinyana, chinena.
sakan jonala uchikan wutyakas taka kwanya kwelwati tieka wana ya chukwando kalakanya stak unye walyen yatu bakwesta kwanya duanya kakst gwakali chikana chitunsta kamundul wadak
Wanyana chi andu tsati iani chi chunye takanyu tasno chi chanje chianje 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 jiwandu kanyeta chichano diana kichuna chuchani hichiana tutawani titikanu wa shusanu kanyu ama chikana Tina wo niene, tenu wa ni tsundu nieta kan wo nietu tiene. Chinani, chuani anda. Tina na wo chini na, konyene, chitani no, pau kawani tatue.
That was all. May love be with you, and love will be in me and in you always.
Oh, wow. I just had a rush of very nice feelings come. So I just need a minute. Well, this is exactly what I want with this YouTube channel. I want to express myself, to express whatever needs to come through me. It's part of my awakening process. It's part of my feeling good process. It's part of discovering who I am, basically. And I'm very grateful that you are here to listen. And for me, I think this was kind of a first beginning, first step, my first step, because it has never come through as potent and intense and clear the way it has come through now. So I think this will be the one I will publish finally, and I'm really happy about that I can say that and be grounded and be prepared for whatever comments may come, good or bad. I can take it, and I'm so happy I'm right here, right now, in this moment. And I think that was also something for me in there, because right in this moment, right now, I'm really content, and I can feel it in my cells, because for me, when this transmission comes through me, I can sense it in my whole body, my cells, basically. So I hope it will serve you in some way, beneficial to you. I know it will. And until next time, with love, to love.
Oh, we're so happy to be here for part 2. Now pay attention, because in this part 2 you will receive what is called which is a code that will open your chakra from the bottom up to your heart. It's from that line until the upper stage. There's one line going from your heart to the root chakra and one line from the heart to the crown chakra. And during this transmission, you will feel it in your root chakra which is the way it's supposed to be. So, without further ado, pay attention into your body. Take in air through the nose and take it in your body. One more time. Connect with your roots. Sit down. Connect with your root.
Manwanyak anuk. Gawalwanyak anukinak. Gaunyanak. Yonwalin yakanduk. Zanjazwan yakal watakanyan. Feel it in your bones while you draw the air from the bottom. Connect with your bones. Gwadwayana kodswanyikis no kawalinak wanyatagisa. Yanak wanyatokin walinat. Yana yaswadyati kanduk walwanyataka. Chikana chukana no chukanang andul wadikensnak. Chikanao, chikanao, chikanao.
Now we have opened the root. Connect now to the heart while you go up through the crown.
Планета Кутины чуть-чуть не
Gwanyata kasnuk. Chena kodai. Kiana watikasnika watiaka. Chikwalinia takai. Chika esna kwanyata watikan walatak. Chikawani. Chikada wosna pika wonya testa. Chuaka wonya takwalitika snakwatain. Chikanya nyata istwa nyata hesno. Kwanyana, 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 kwanyana,
That was all we had today. We encourage you to ground yourself while listening, and before you push the play button on your screen, the transmission will increase the energy in your body.
And this might be practiced 2 times a day. It will encourage you to make the cells vibrate. Through the cells' vibration, the cells will immediately start their own, let's say, suicide process, autophagy, or this channel, I don't know if that's the correct name, but it will start the processes in the cells to let the cells die, the ones that are supposed to die. And while the others supposed to grow, it will increase their energy. So, this is a good energy session to do when you have the time and the lust. We are grateful for your listening. With love, to love the 9.
Whew. Oh, that was. Just give me a few seconds. Oh, that was intense. I didn't know there was supposed to be a part 2, so I started doing other things. Yeah, because this is new to me, so I just knew that I was supposed to sit down again and do the part 2. I hope you enjoy it. I will certainly listen through it because I can't remember I can't remember what was said, basically. So I hope this finds you in good spirit, and if not, maybe it can lift you somewhat. That's my intention, and yeah, with love, to love.